Sanbonani, football lovers. The game was good, especially the first half. You could tell good Kaizer Chiefs had a plan on what they want to score an early goal so that they make things easier for themselves. We saw a goal coming in the 3rd minute from a beautiful run made by Utabiso Monyane and delivered the cutback, and Umdota made sure he doesn't make any mistakes. He scores that one. So I'd say it was a good display from Kaizer Chiefs, making sure they fixed their defensive lines whereby they were very solid and they were sharp. They made it difficult for Orbit College so that they can get those spaces behind the defense so that they can get to capitalize. Because they saw Kaizer Chiefs were playing a kind of football whereby they were just waiting for a right moment so that they can catch Orbit College in a transition, because they know very well already we are leading, so they will come at us. So the best way is to make sure we are solid at the back and make sure whenever we go forward we use our pace, because we saw a player like Asanele Velepa. He had a good first half. He made sure he shows why he started the game, because he has beautiful runs, he's quick, he's explosive, and also decision making yake. It is very spot on. You can see the understanding between him and Umtutuzi Shabalala, because whenever we are going forward, they always go in pairs, whereby they will exchange those passes going forward, try to link up with Uko's power, Ukotaro, but at some point it becomes difficult for him because Usuga 16. But I'd say our right hand side seemed like the side that was more effective, because we saw many opportunities coming in that left hand side. But on the right hand side, that's where I'd say after creating that goal, there was nothing that I could say would make us say okay, our right hand side was effective, because Uvilagazi was a bit off, because most of the time whenever he receives the ball Uzfaka under pressure whereby it's either Magal Trapper if Sashake lets him down, because it invites our opponent with on mark, and Umonyane obviously trying to play as a hybrid on that right hand side. It becomes difficult because some transitions whereby we could have capitalized, we couldn't, because it decision making Gashaga Villagas wasn't that good with first half. So we saw within the middle of the park Utele was making things happen while Ox was trying to protect that back four. Even though I'd say he knows how to put himself in good positions but Magafiga agaz gutenze bola. So it was good to see okay, a player like Aaron McCarthy is winning aerial jewels, is winning crown jewels. Kunika cool, calm, collected as always. So we can see there's a balance between the defense and attack. So we were playing as if we are a team that was packing the bus so that we can allow Orbit College to come at us. So that I'd say it was working perfectly for us, because they will be forced to play long balls, they will be forced to bashaya in runs behind the defense. But if there's no space behind the defense, it makes it difficult for a player like Usaling with be effective, a player like Wakaba to be effective. So we can see they are trying to string along those passes, but it is not happening, because Kaizer Chiefs also, they are pressing them high whenever they have the ball. They make sure they press so that it becomes difficult for them to have time and space to decide what to do with the ball. So I can say the first half, it was good for a side of Kaizer Chiefs, because we got an early goal, so we are trying by all means to get a second one, trying by all means with this manager game so that we are not vulnerable to our transition, to our counter attack. So Orbit College, because we see a player like Umnapulo Saling is trying by all means ukuthi ayidlalise Orbit College, but angeka wenza umsebenzi ayi-one, because whenever he has the ball he wants to make sure he uses his pace in order akwazi outpace outrunner Kunika. But with Monyane covering and the Ox making sure whenever we try to go forward, he's there so that he can offer a cover to that deep back four. Our goalkeeper made a crucial save in the early stages of the game. I think besayibambe ngohlelo, it's just bekshota nje that cushion goal, second goal. So that was a summary of the first half. And then second half, Kaizer Chiefs started on a high. We saw we created an early opportunity and we made sure we scored that goal. The good thing is that Umfundo Vilakazi realized that first half was off. I don't know what the coaches said to him in the change room, but he he came back with fire. Hayi ziyakhala madoda yabo lama 2K, lama 2K aphethe ushukela, and I was a bit nje sad ukuthi umdoda didn't get his hat-trick, but he had a good game of his life, a brace and an assist. Hayi bezikhala ngempela. Orbit College didn't think ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ngeza ngalento ezengayo, but I'll say ukuthi second half was the best performance overall compared to the first half, because we managed to create many chances and we managed ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siwakore lama chances. Brandon Peterson hayi ngeke yayifuna le AFCON ne World Cup ngenkani. The saves that he makes, yo Munyane made sure ukuthi nullifies Saling wasn't visible in this game. He made sure ukuthi I know you, I know what you are capable of, I won't give you a moment to breathe. So it showed ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs knew what they were playing with, and they prepared well, because you know with play against Team Swanko Boys, the team that is good when it comes to ball rotation. They move the ball so fluid. That's why we see with players like Abubad can control that middle of the park because they have confidence in abundance. Yabo. But Kaizer Chiefs had other plans. Flavio Silva, my thought. 4 goals in 5 games. He could have scored a brace now. Kancane washo upapa ukuthi there will be a time whereby ukuthi you will unjudge him, because his only responsibility, understand it, ukuthi I will score goals. Playing beautiful football is for abo Igodaro, abo Khanyisa Mayo. Mina, as long as I'll be the reference point, I will score goals. It was a good game. Seeing Kaizer Chiefs, I think you considered the goal in a way that I can say good, it wasn't supposed to be good, because we were ball watching, especially Aaron McCart. But I'm glad good to manage to recover and make sure good to extend our league so that we can play comfortable again. Yabona, I was impressed by many performances. Zita Kunika was lively. Bradley Cross, I'd say which was my man of the match. My daughter, V8 asanele vele by showed ukuthi Pulemori, if usa relax, sponsor ngizosithatha, because he's explosive going forward, he's got pace, he's fast. Yabona, he's like he's like Dupreez, the way he plays. He's explosive, ambipedal, he's able to give you more. He can attack with and he can defend with, help cross with the defend. But what I like about him, with every time he gets the ball, he thinks about going forward. So what you need in a player, high players ukuthi njalo namaliphethe ibhola lofuna ukushaya izinto ezi unnecessary. Lewang mabo ungenile wafika iphathi seyiqalile vele. It's unfortunate every time makangena iChiefs yenza kahle, so his performance gets to be overshadowed by the ones that played. Yabo, get to be overshadowed by the players that played before him. Mfundo Vilakazi bafethu, what a goal. What a goal. Kaizer Chiefs were playing like a team that is possessed in the second half, because how can we explain that? Hopefully ukuthi ama-goal lawa sewavulekile manje, njengoba beyishila indlondlo yamanzi ukuthi hayi seyivuleke, yavumela inhliziyo yayo ukuthi hayi ikhululeke. It was a good game. Hopefully ukuthi the next game that we're going to play also we're gonna score goals. Hayi madoda, Limpofu idlukudla kwashona. Hayi, it was a good game. First time we scored many goals. This was our biggest win this season, 4 goals. And someone did say with Kaizer Chiefs will win with the big machine. Cela uyiveze lapho comment section, because you did say, I don't know ukuthi you are underestimating Orbit College, or you had a gut feeling with the Kaizer Chiefs on this one. Then you find it easy for them to score goals, because lama 2K with swaphethe. No, the understanding between Shabalala and Mfundo Vilakazi is out of this world. This is it for today.